Hey guys, I'm Evan Carmichael, Fabi's friend. I also have my own YouTube channel called Modeling the Masters, and today I will not be teaching you how to get smoky eyes. I will not be telling you about French manicures. I will not be teaching you about my hair routine in the morning. But I do have an important message for you today, and that's what makes a girl sexy. Let's start with what it isn't. It isn't about your hair, it's not about your makeup, it's not about your nails, it's not about the clothes you wear. It's not about any of that stuff that you show on the outside. You know what it is? It's your confidence. Confidence is sexy. Sexy is knowing what you want out of life. Sexy is knowing what you're gonna take out of life. Sexy is knowing that you may want a man right now, but you don't need a man right now. See, a lot of people use makeup and nails and hair and clothes as a way to mask an inner weakness, as a way to feel a little bit more self-confidence, as a way to fit in with the rest of the world. Where really your hair, makeup, nails, clothes should be an expression of who you are on the inside. Let that sexy confidence from the inside come out and express it to the rest of the world. You are fierce, you are awesome, you are confident, you are sexy, and you're gonna change the world. Believe.